Hey guys, Connor here from Rosen, Nissan in Madison. Today I'm in the brand new 2023 Nissan Rogue Platinum Trim level, and I'm going to be showing you the intelligent around view monitoring. So if you want to take a look at the screen here, you're going to see a camera button. And this camera button is an awesome feature. It's going to show you many different angles of the vehicle with the cameras. So there's going to be a camera in the front of the vehicle, one on the left side of the mirror, one on the right side of the mirror, and then one on the rear trunk. So it's going to be right above the license plate. As you can see, this is showing the front of the vehicle, and this red line here is representing 1.5 feet. And then another thing I want to point out is if you turn your steering wheel, the green lines will move with it. So it's going to represent where the vehicle is going to go. And if you switch over to this screen here, it's going to show the bird's eye view, and it's still going to have the green lines up in front. So it's going to show you where you want to go with the vehicle. If I press this camera button, you have a couple different modes. As you can see, I'm going to turn the wheel, so it is a live view. And right there is a curb, so this is great for getting in and out of tight spaces, parallel parking. And then this one here, again, is just another front view of the vehicle. So just a little bit bigger screen. I'm going to put the vehicle in reverse. And you can, again, kind of play around with the settings on here. And if you can see, bird's eye view is going to be up. So I'm going to go back a little bit. You can see it's like looking over the vehicle. And then same with front. This is going to be active if you're going 6 miles an hour or less. Alrighty, that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out or drop them in the comments. Have a nice day, guys.